Hello and welcome to a new video on my channel. Have you ever been on a situation where you are trading USD or GBP/USD and the same setup presented itself on both pairs, since they are correlated, meaning they move together on the same direction? So for example, you saw a short setup, maybe in the form of a displacement, causing a market structure shift, leaving a fair value gap behind on both pairs, and now you are wondering which pair to take the trade on. Well, most traders, when they face this situation, will choose the pair randomly and take their position on. Now, what if I tell you that there is a way, an indicator that will tell you which pair will give you the more profit, the higher RR, and which one will run smoothly to your TP, in and out in a matter of minutes? So, if you are interested in knowing that, then this video is for you. Stick till the end and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos. And if you are guys currently searching for a reliable prop firm to start your trading journey, I highly recommend Trado. It's a new funding firm with huge potentials, offering some of the best conditions any trader could ask for. Firstly, they provide unlimited time limits on their challenges, allowing you to trade at your own pace and without any unnecessary pressure. Trado also has an exclusive trade locker platform, provides an optimal trading environment equipped with advanced chart analysis tools powered by TradingView, and has seamless execution capabilities. Moreover, they offer the freedom to trade with your preferred style and strategy, as they have no consistency restrictions. This means you can implement any trading approach that suits your preferences. One standout feature of Trado is their exceptional customer support, available around the clock 24/7. So, whether you have questions, concerns, or require assistance, their dedicated support team is always there to provide prompt and reliable guidance. So if you are ready to take a chance and give Trado a try, be sure to click on the link provided in the video description below. It's a golden opportunity, guys, to kickstart your trading career with a trusted and promising prop firm. Now, the way that will make you capable of determining which pair is going to perform better, like this, when you have the same setup on two different correlated pairs, like USD and GBP/USD. It's not really an indicator, so it's not a coded tool that you will pull out from this tab right here, but it's rather a skill that I'm going to teach you today on this video. And frankly, this is better than any indicator out there. So this way you are not creating a dependency on any other third-party tool, all right? It's just you and the chart. Now, let's just get started. Let's see. So we have a 15-minute chart of EUR/USD, and this is from the 20th of July. All right. So we have a market structure shift right here. This is the New York kill zone. All right. You have market structure shift. You can see that we have violated these recent swings right here. And now we are interested in a short position. Now, let me remind you that we are not taking a short position just because we have a market structure shift. We are taking a short position because, as you can see on the 4-hour chart, we have this huge fair value gap right here. This is the daily, and we took external range liquidity from here, right? And we are anticipating a retracement to this fair value gap right here. So this is the idea of going short, and the market structure shift is just the how we're gonna make it to this fair value gap right here. All right. So when you have a target, you are already anticipating a market structure shift in the future. Now let's go back to the 15-minute chart. So we have a market structure shift, and we are interested in taking a short position from this fair value gap right here. Now, most traders trade EUR/USD and GBP/USD, and they monitor them at the same time. If we pull out the GBP/USD chart, you can see that the same setup presented itself here. So we have a displacement, all right, leaving a fair value gap behind, and now we are retracing to this fair value gap. Now, how do you choose which pair to take the trade on? Is it this pair or is it this pair? Now, forget about this move right here. Forget it's never happened. You are here and you don't know what's going to happen next. Now, most traders on this situation right here will choose randomly. All right, we'll choose a random pair from here, and they will take the trade. And this is not the right way. You are gambling. You are taking a shot. And if you take GBP/USD, for example, and you take a short from here, your stop loss above the recent swing that broke structure, right? This is an invalidation point, and maybe your TPS is at least 2R. So you can see that on GBP/USD, price never hit your TP, and it kept just give you a bit of profit and reversed, eventually hitting your break even, for example, or even your stop loss right here. In the contrast, you can see that your USD melted to the downside, giving you at least 2R, right? And it even kept going down. Now, the way you determine which pair will give you this move, which pair will give you a smooth move to your TP, is by opening the Euro GBP chart. So when you want to take a short position, you want to short the weakest pair, all right? And when you want to take a long position, you want to choose the strongest pair. And how you can determine that is by going to the Euro GBP chart. So let's pull it out from here. So this is the Euro GBP chart, and now we want to determine which currency is the weakest one. And how you can do that is by just analyzing the Euro GBP chart. For example, let's go to the 1 hour chart, right? So we are here. From this piece of price action, you can see that price hit this rejection block right here. And I have discussed rejection block on my previous video, so go check it out. So the Euro GBP hit this rejection block right here, so we have a probability of going down. If we go to the lower time frames, like the 15-minute chart, we can see that we have, after hitting this higher time frame PDRA, which is a rejection block, we have a market structure shift to the downside. All right, so we broke structure and we have this rebalanced price range right here, and now there's a high probability of your GBP going down. So when your GBP is going to the downside, meaning that the euro is weak. If your GBP is heading to the upside, meaning the GBP is weak, and you want to take a short position on the weakest currency. So we have a market structure shift, and at the same time, we have the Euro USD making a market structure shift right here, right? So the next time you see a setup on both pairs, the first thing you want to do is to go to the Euro GBP chart to determine which currency is stronger and which currency is weaker. So I believe we have come to the end of this video. I hope you guys understand. It was a quick one because I believe this is a fairly simple subject. It didn't have to be a long one. If you have any questions, please DM me on my Twitter account or leave a comment down below and I will answer you as soon as I can. Happy trading and good luck.